Dear students, I will teach you maths. My name is Rama Shankar Mishra. Your first chapter is number system. How can we locate the number on the number line? Draw a line. Take any point O. Say that start from the 0. To write to the 0, that is 1, 2, 3, that is positive integers, and left to the 0, that is negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. So we can locate between these integers, that is rational number also. So first we will discuss about some important concept, that is natural number. All counting numbers is called the natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. Whole numbers, all counting numbers including 0 is called the whole numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. After that, integers, all positive and negative counting numbers including 0 is called the integers. Example, left to the 0, that is -1, -2, etc. and right to the 0, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. After that, rational numbers, a number which is written as in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is called the rational numbers. Example 5 upon 4, here 5 and 4 both are the integers. 0 is also rational numbers. We can write this 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, etc. After that, we will discuss about the how can we find the rational number between two rational numbers. Rational number between two rational numbers. If A and B are two rational numbers, then with the help of this formula, A plus B upon 2, that means sum of both rational number upon 2 is also rational numbers. So between A and B, we can find infinite number of rational number. Means between two rational numbers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. Here you are seeing that both having the same denominator. So in easy way we can find the rational number between these two. So by the formula A plus B upon 2, just we have discussed about two rational numbers. So 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 whole upon 2. LCM will be 3. After that, this 3 we will divide in the LCM. We will get 1. 1 2 ja 2. And similarly for next also, that is 5 whole upon 2. So 5 plus 2 7. And this 3 will be in denominator, that is 6. After that, between 2 upon 3 and this 7 upon 6, again we can find one more rational numbers. So 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 6 whole upon 2 equal to, here 6 will be LCM. So 3 2 ja 6, this 2 2 ja 4 plus 7 whole upon 2, this 11 upon 12, etc. So we can find the third, fourth, fifth, etc. So just we have discussed about the, we can find the infinite number of rational number between two rational number. With the help of this process we can find. After that, you see your NCERT book. In your NCERT book, and see in the NCERT book, exercise 1.1, first question given that is 0 a rational numbers. This is the first part. Can you write in the form of P upon Q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So your answer will be what? That is, yes, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. We can write in the form of p upon q. Example, 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, etc. Similarly, just we have discussed how can you find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. This second question you see. Second question given that. Second question. See, second question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So just we have discussed if A and B are two rational numbers, then we can find infinite number of rational numbers. So here asking only 6 rational numbers, so we can find in easy way by the formula A plus B upon 2. So sum of these two rational numbers, that is 3 plus 4 upon 2, that is 7 upon 2. After that, between 3 and 7 upon 2, so 3 plus 7 upon 2 whole upon 2, that is 2 LCM, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 7 upon 7 plus 6, that is 13 upon 4. Third, between 7 upon 2 and 13 upon 4 also we can find. So 7 upon 2 plus 13 upon 4 whole upon 2. Here 4 LCM, 14 plus 13 whole upon 2, that is 27 upon 8. After that, 13 upon 4 and 27 upon 8. Their sum 13 upon 4 plus 27 upon 8 whole upon 2. 4 and 8 LCM 8, that is 4 2 ja 8, 13 2 ja 26 plus 27 whole upon 2. That is 53 upon 16. After that, between 27 upon 8 and 53 upon 16. So their sum whole upon 2, taking LCM 16, 8 2 ja 16, 27 2 ja 54 plus 53 as it is, whole upon 2, that is 107 upon 32. After that, between 53 upon 53 upon 69, 107 upon 32 whole upon 2. 32 LCM, 16 2 ja 32, 15 3 ja 15, 53 2 ja 106 plus 107 whole upon 2. That is 213 upon 64. Similarly, we can find 7th, 8th, etc. also. In earlier classes also you have done, that is some simple method, but here in this class given that this method. After that, question number 4, everybody to see. This is true and false given that. Also give the reason. See in your book, question number 4. Very good question. The answer of this question we can give with the help of definition. So it must be everybody to read the definition and learn also. So see question number 4, true and false, and give the reason. Every natural number is a whole number. This is true. What is the reason? Natural number is all counting number. But whole number is including 0 also. That means every natural number will be whole number also. So this is true. Second part, every integer is a whole number. This is false. Why it is false? Because of negative integer will be also, but whole number will be positive integer including 0. So it is false. Third part, every rational number is a whole number. So every rational number is a whole number. This is false. Because of rational numbers we can write 2 upon 3, but whole number is not 2 upon 3. That's why it is false. Understood or not? Every rational number is a whole number. This is false. Because of rational number is 2 upon 3, but 2 upon 3 is not whole number.